Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Teacher Fayyazuddin Ahmad, your English reading and writing teacher, bringing you the revision for the first term examinations from the solved tasks. Number one, the girl's towel and clothes are made from fabric. Answer is fabric. Number two, it was greed that caused the boys to grab more cookies than they needed. Answer is greed. Number three, Leo was honest and told his mother the truth about the broken window. Answer is honest. Number four, asked for. The meaning for asked for is requested. Answer is requested. Number five, the customer requested service from the waiter. The answer is requested. Number six, the seagull soared upward high over the ocean. Answer is soared. Number seven, soared. The meaning for soared is flew high in the air. Yes, this is true. The meaning for soared is flew high in the air. True. Honest. The meaning for honest given here is truthful. Truth. Answer is true. Number nine, dazzling. The meaning given here is shining. Yes, it's true. The meaning for dazzling is shining. It is true. Number 10, attracted. The meaning given here is asked for. This is false. Attracted is not the meaning for the word asked for. Meaning is wrong. So answer is false. Number 11, type of material made from cloth, fabric. The answer is fabric. Number 12, walk steadily and slowly. Answer is trudged. Walk steadily and slowly. The answer is trudged. Number 13, yes. A selfish desire to have or get something. The answer is greed. Greed is a selfish desire to have or get something. From the tasks number two, question number one, to feel disappointed by being kept from doing something. The answer is frustrated. Number two, well known because it was heard or seen before. The answer is familiar. Familiar means well known because it was heard or seen before. The answer is familiar. Number three, something that someone does particularly well or gives extra attention to. The answer is specialty. The answer is specialty. Number four, people care only about themselves. The answer is selfish. Yes. Selfish people care only about themselves. The answer for number four is selfish. Number five, person is grouchy or in a bad mood. The answer is cranky. Number six, a way of thinking, acting, or feeling. The answer is attitude. Number seven, to feel bothered or irritated. The answer is annoyed. The answer is annoyed. Number eight, we heard the commotion next door when the two dogs were barking loudly. The answer is commotion, noisy disturbance. Number nine, please do not be selfish with all of your great ideas. The answer is selfish. Number 10, the ant and the grasshopper is a drama. Yes, the genre of the story, The Ant and the Grasshopper, is a drama. True. Next, from the task number 3, question number 1, broke into small pieces. The answer is crumbled. Yes, crumbled means to break into small pieces. The answer for number 1 is crumbled. Number 2, formed small waves. The answer is rippled. Ripple is to form small waves. So the answer for question number 2 is rippled. Number 3, grew strongly, thrived. The meaning of this is flourished. Is it true or false? The answer is true. Yes. To flourish means to grow strongly and thrive. The answer for question number 3 is true. Question number 4, easily broken, delicate. The meaning is fragile. The meaning given here is fragile. The answer is yes, true. Fragile means something that is easily broken or delicate. The answer for number 4 is true. Question number 5. All non-living and living things in a particular area means ecosystem. Yes. All non-living and living things in a particular area is ecosystem. Answer for number 5 is ecosystem. Number 6. Long periods of time with little or no rain. The meaning given here is droughts. Yes, it is true. Droughts are the long periods of time with little or no rain. So the answer for question number 6 is true. Question number 7. No longer in existence. The meaning given for this is crumbled. Uh, the answer is false. No. No longer in existence is extinct. The meaning given here is wrong. So the answer for number 7 is false. Number 8. Lack of balance. Is the meaning given here is imbalance? Yes. True. The answer for question number 8 is true. So that's the end of the revision. All the best. Have a nice time. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.